Oops. Okay. What is up, everybody? Welcome to another development stream, maybe a gameplay stream, I don't know. I think I'm gonna hope to be able to do both. So just a few small things that we want to fix. First of all, a few updates. So the Shanghai Pass issues, I've got a PR for that in the OpenRC framework. So they're gonna look at that and tell me if it's good. Basically what it does is it just says Shanghai Pass on PCs for some reason have their own like code file. So it basically just says, hey, if it's not a member world and the Shanghai and the Shanghai Pass NPC is considered a members NPC, and basically do nothing because there's another code file that's gonna send a message to them saying basically this, you must be on a members world to do that. So then this down here is basically just saying when you try to use that chest or the stone gate, like where you would enter the desert, this is just saying, well, if it's not a member world, then send the player a message that you must be on a members world and then do nothing. So I tested this out locally and it works really well. We'll see when they merge that. So that's in code review. The unicorn horn thing, that's also basically merged. It's just that I'm gonna wait until the rest of the stuff is done to push out one full update. And then this one we got into code review on Tuesday or Monday, I don't remember. What day is it? It's Wednesday. Must have been Monday. So there's a couple things I want to work on today. First of all, we gotta update the README. The Neat free-to-play README. This is going to be a really quick thing. But basically we just want to mention a couple things. So, so the first thing we want to mention is, oops, hold on, let me go back there. The first thing we want to mention is that this. Oh, and I'll have to do this again. Settings. Format. Save. One day I gotta find a way to only enable this for certain projects. So basically the log4j something.xml files have the catch-all appender removed, which prevents the .log.gz files from being generated every time a player connects. And then the other change is, I'm going to put it above this, want pcap logging, I think that's what it's called. I'm just going to paste this. Want pcap logging equals false. This may be temporary, not sure if we need these others. Pcap logging wasn't really the problem with the server going unresponsive, but we just kind of disabled just to be careful. Yeah, so that's it. So just a few changes to the README. I like to keep this differences list like up to date as much as possible. so people know how it differs. So let me save that. I'm just gonna commit directly. Cool. And push it. And we're done there. So now I can just go to here and just say committed and pushed. We can test it. By going here. And if we see it there, then we're good. Yes. So now I can just move this to done. Okay, so the other website fix I wanna, oh that did not, oh it's just not refreshing, okay. Wasn't that fun. The other thing I wanna do is this right here. So there's still an issue with the high scores. So let me give you an example. We've got Ooh at rank 15 in fire making, and we got Sampuka at rank 16, but they have the same level, they have the same speed. When we go to Ooh's page, we see he's rank 15 in fire making, which is correct. But when we go to Sampuka's page, we see he's also rank 15 in fire making, which doesn't match his rank here. So that's a bug, in my opinion. So I'm just gonna try to fix that. I think there's some kind of difference with how the ranking works between the two pages, and we just kind of need to fix that. This is bug 111. This one might be a little bit tricky, but hopefully it's not too hard. First thing we're going to want to do is run the project. Alright, so it compiled. So first thing we're going to do, make sure we can reproduce it. Local. I hope I opened the right one. No, I didn't. See, it's running on 3001. So what we actually have to do is say netstat, what's running on 3000. For some reason, there's always like a ghost process on port 3000 after I finish working on the website for the day. It's bloody annoying. If I was a British person, I'd say it's bloody annoying. 13880. Okay. Do the same thing. Yeah, we're good. I think. Let's just try running it again. Alright, it's running on 3000 now. So we can go to the high scores. Go to fire making. What's up, buddy? Hope all's well. Hey, Cosmos, how's it going? See Ooh and Sampuka. And Sampuka is rank 16 here, or rank 15 here. Okay, cool. So yeah, this rank is wrong. So high score row. Their high score row already. So is this the only time this is being called? Yes. Okay, so let's console log this. Or I guess we just want to do this. So let's refresh. And rank 16. Interesting. So it literally says rank 16, but it's showing 15. Very interesting. Look for rank. So let's console log this. If high score type file ranking. Okay, so we're returning rank +1. So interesting, it says 16 at first and then it changes to 15. What in the hell? I don't even know where it would be losing one point. Very strange. It starts at 16 and then it changes to 15. So it runs 4 more times. I think this is running too much. I don't know though. Well, wait, it's running how many times? It says it's running 5 times. Let's also log this and see how that changes. Okay, so this is correct. So OO is rank 15. It's, you know, the index starts with 0, so we have to add 1. And then Sampunka is rank 15. 0 indexed. 0 based, so it's gotta add 1. And then, but then here, same number of records. But now Sampunka is above OO somehow. It makes no sense. Yeah, I think it's not sorting correctly. You know, oh no, that only affected overall. Never mind. Yeah, so like this is not order like if they have the exact same level, the exact same EXP, it should probably just order them alphabetically, and it's not doing that. Like, OO should be above Sampunka because O comes before. Although, wait, this is a 0. But I think a 0 would come before an S, I guess? I don't get why it's changing. Like, it's correct at first, and then now it's not. Let's see. How would you sort these alphabetically? Oh wait, this might ruin everything. It's like we want to sort alphabetic. We want to sort by level, then by experience, then alphabetically. I think if we just resorted it alphabetically, it would ruin everything. Okay, so maybe we need to be a bit more like detailed with the sorting. What's your database? It's a MySQL database. It's not really possible. I'm not gonna say it's not possible, but I tried setting up a query that also sets up a rank field, and it's just I couldn't figure it out. So I think something like this maybe. What's up, JAppSeed? How you doing? So I think we just need to define like a custom ranking thing. And it's so stupid that I have to do this because the other page just gets it right. But, yo veteran, let's just put this in here. Const equals arrow. Happy you're enjoying the grind. Let's see. So first sort spawn sort by level 2 sort by XP 3 sort by account name. Okay, but I need to know what I'm doing, so it needs a high score type. High score 1 dot, let's see. Oh, I see. Okay, so something like this. Oh, okay, we're also gonna need the prop name. And that's gonna be. Okay, like this. Okay. So now we sort by EXP. This prop name string. Okay. Okay. So sort by EXP. I don't think it's even doing this right now. Let's see. Let's see what it's doing. I don't think it's sorting by EXP right now. If it's a match, or if it's a if it's the same level. Hits 3. Hits 2. Seems to be sorting by EXP if the level is the same. I don't understand how, but whatever. Username. Okay, maybe this will work. We'll see. So we're gonna cut this out and comment it for now. We're gonna say, oh, I guess we still have to. think we still have to do this. So let's go type top name. Let's go 1. Let's go 2. Okay. So now it's just running that function. So now we wouldn't need this. Oh, interesting. We're not even using high score type. But then don't we need to? Maybe not. Nope. Okay. Maybe we didn't. Save that. Okay. Let's see how this works. So this only affects the player pages. Okay, I'm still saying 15. Let's take a look at the console logs. Oh, oops, I'm on the wrong site. Okay, now it's all kinds of wrong. Oh, do I get it? It seems like it's just overriding the first sort and just sorting everything by I don't know, I'm gonna count this out and see if that fixes it. Interestingly, no. That is so weird. I think I wanna do this. Wait, so now it's all messed up. Wait a second, don't we already have a compare high score function? Oh, okay, so what this is saying is that, we go back to the high scores, these are actually these are sorted by EXP. And it works out for level because it's always gonna be a top-down thing. Like, if we sort by EXP, it's not, like, level's not gonna be out of order. It's not possible. So we need to sort by EXP and then by name, but not overriding it. I don't know. I think we need to use this function. And I think this is used by the other page. This is used in high scores. Maybe we should just use this for the same page, or for the other page. So like, where do we set this? Can you just change your compare high scores function if the two are equal to sort alphabetically? Let's see. I think it's already working though, because like if it's the same XP, it's currently sorting them alphabetically. So that function is working, but we're not using that on this page. That's the problem. So if I fix what I broke, turn this off, and then turn this off. Oh, this is old. Okay. Also, I think we should filter before we sort, because it's the other thing is doing that. Although, I think, high score status, okay, question mark, and then question mark. Okay, so if I do that, now it's 16, interesting. Did I just fix this on accident? Wait, how did I fix it? So if I change the order of these, does that fix it then? Doing the sort before the filter? That is so funny. Okay, so if we sort it before we filter it, then it's not good. I'm trying to see if that makes sense to me though. I suppose it does, because we're getting the rank when we sort it. Like the rank is set at that point, I think, kind of. So that if we don't filter out the ones that don't have EXP, then it could be including one of those that have EXP. I don't know, but I might have fixed it. Let's go over another example. So let's do like fish. So we need to find two characters with the exact same EXP, which for fishing shouldn't be too hard. Here we go. D-Dog, F2P, and Gilgamesh. So D-Dog should be rank 39, he is. Gilgamesh should be rank 40, he is. That's working. I think wood cutting should still be really easy. Yeah, we got like 5 people or 10 people that have done one tree. Rank 49 for Gordon Ramsay. I think it works, I'm not 100% sure. Rank 50. Rank 51, so far so good. Ah, nope, we didn't fix it completely. This says rank 51 for veteran, but his rank is actually 52. But now I don't get it because it's not even alphabetical. So these are just like ordered randomly. Like we've got G and then O and then B and then V and then M. So okay, I still think though that we can do something different here. Because this function is responsible for making these ranks, basically. So then I think we should use the same function here on this page. So let's see, high scores. So I think we want to do something like this. Set high scores to what is this? Get player high score. Player high score. Glad I got to make it to a Progress stream. How's it going, dude? So this has like a custom, this is a different query that it's using, but I don't know if that matters. So query has, let's look at this query. Yeah, just grabbing a bunch of skill values from max stats. And this is doing the same thing. It's just saying, well, do it by the experience. Wait. I don't know. Let me just run this. What do I get? So it's joining the max stats table with the player ID. Oh, to get the username right and the skill total. Okay, so it's not actually filtering by a certain player. So let's just paste this and just see. Let's just run it and see what we get. Just a select. Yeah, it's just giving us a bunch of data. It's just saying if it's not admin and it's not banned, then basically get all of its stats. Start at 0 instead of 1. I don't think so. Because we're already adding 1 to the rank on the player high score page. Okay, so what I would like to propose is that we don't do this. Work this out. And so we don't have this. Maybe we don't have a high score type. Oh yeah, because it's a player page, so we don't have a high score type. Okay. Yeah, so we can't do this because for this page, we don't know what high score type it is. I wonder if we can just reuse the logic for the compare. So if we say this, I think we're just going to say make this a helper function so we can use it in other places. Where are all the helper functions? Here we go. Helper utils. Okay. Okay, this was relying on a high score type in the file. So let's just set up one as a parameter. We have to export it so we can use it in other files. Okay, so move this import and then import for that. Oh, wait. It needs new stuff. Okay, so then so my idea is that we just use that instead. So sort high score type. The idea is that if we can get both pages using the same sorting logic, then they should match up, but I don't know. Let's see. Nope, it still says 51. Yeah, it's very strange. Let's refresh. Code reuse, thank you. Go all the way down. Yeah, it says veteran is rank 51. And this is 0 based. So it's index 50. We add 1. And it's 51. But on this page it says it's 52. So that's what's weird about this. Wait. This is woodcut high scores. Oh no, was I looking at the wrong thing? Oh no. I think I was looking at high scores and I forgot I switched over to woodcutting. Okay, hold on guys. Gordon Ramsay woodcutting 49. That's correct. Oh, woodcutting 50. That's correct. Ruffle. 51, that's correct. Veteran should be 52, woodcutting, that's correct. MHIB should be 53, woodcutting, that's correct. Decimation should be 54, that's correct. AFK killer should be 55, that's correct. I think we fixed it. We did fix it. Let's go back to the fire making, just to make sure that's still working. So some Hukba should be rank 16 in fire making. Yes. Okay, so we fixed it, and we fixed it in 2 different ways, and I didn't realize I'd already fixed it the first way, because I thought I was looking at the fire making high score still. That is so funny. Okay, well, whatever. I think it makes sense to reuse that compare, because now basically the high scores between those 2 different pages, it should always have the same rank, and I think it makes sense to share that logic so that the ranks aren't different between pages. So let's just clean up some stuff. We don't need this now. Yeah, this is exactly what the other page is doing as well. This is filtering first and saying remove anything that's not baseline and then sorting. So now it's using the same logic, which is good, I think. Okay. So now we can remove this. Can you make it a function on one page and then import the value from that library so you don't have to calculate the same thing twice? I mean, that's basically what we're doing. We're using a helper function to calculate, you know, given 2 high score data rows, which one goes before the other. So I don't mind that this is duplicated, where it's saying filter by not baseline XP, then sort by this, because it's basically using helper functions. So it's like, I think this is pretty lean code, in my opinion. Okay, what else do I have to do? Probably still have some console logs lying around. Okay, let's do, have I saved everything I have? Git status, just look at the diff. So we add, we moved compare high scores, that function to a helper. If you saw my code, you'd laugh, so I'm no one to take. Oh no, don't worry about it, dude. I totally appreciate all those suggestions. I just thought that that code was pretty good. Like it's using helpers, so I'm happy with it. But I appreciate any suggestions you might have. Totally feel free to just jump in. We can go through it together. Okay, so this is removing compare high scores from the page because we moved it to the utils class or file. And then this is just being a little bit more detailed about how we're doing that function. And yes, filtering first and then sorting using the same logic. So yeah, this looks great to me, and it definitely looks like we fixed the issue. Maybe we just tested it. So just because I'm paranoid. AFK kill, yep, it's looking good. Okay, cool. commit messages are always super long and over detailed. Just completely unnecessary. Some people don't even make a commit message. Mine will be like 2 paragraphs long. Not really, but like a paragraph sometimes. For the main high schoolers and the high schoolers. Your commit message says fuck this. Alright, so funny thing, we've got 2 different high score fixes that are going to be queued up now. And they're definitely going to conflict with each other, but that's fine. Okay. Okay, this looks good to me. I'm going to merge the other one first, just because it's kind of more important. So this fix just fixes the issue specific to overall high scores. If 2 players have the exact same the exact same overall, but they have different EXP, it gives the tiebreaker to the person with more EXP. We can even test this, I think. And compare it to what's EXP? Let's see. Okay, so let's see if we can find an example of this. Might be pretty tough because overall is like so. It can be so different. These people are already sorted correctly. Not great. Okay, wait, here we go. Perfect example. We've got 4 people with 124 skill total, but the one with the least XP is at the top of those 4, so that's like the issue. So that should be fixed in this branch. So if we disable, so what was that? Rank 51. Okay, so now you see those 4 people, they're sorted by the EXP. So now AFK Killer is at the top of this list of 4 because he has the most EXP. Yeah, so basically, if there's a tie with people having overall, now it's just gonna give the person with the most EXP the highest rank, which I think makes sense because they have the most EXP. You know, I don't think it makes sense to do it like alphabetically. It's funny because this actually ends up being alphabetically, but it's not how it works. What if they have both the same level and the same XP? At that point, I don't care, and I don't think they do either, because it's like, let's just let the code handle it however it's going to do that. It's probably going to do it alphabetically, I would think, because I don't know, actually, but I don't think it matters. Because at that point, it's like, I don't know. I think that's going to be really rare too, but I just don't think it's going to matter. I don't think we have an example of that. Oh wait, we do. Interesting. Page 5. Oh yes, I commented this on the last dev stream. This guy has the exact same EXP and total level, which is a little bit weird, but yeah, but we don't show accounts with 0 XP, because then you don't really belong in the high scores, in my opinion. So this is 93, page 5. So I think it's the exact same order. Yeah, so I don't really care at that point. Creation date? I don't know. We don't have to get that crazy with it. I think this is important. We're fixing the big issue where it's like, you know, give the tiebreaker to the player with more XP. I don't think it's really going to matter. I don't think people are going to care. Like, we have the exact same EXP as someone else. Shouldn't I be above this other person? It's just like, okay, why do you think that way? What makes you so special? Yeah, I've reviewed this. I think this is good. So that's going to create a conflict in this branch, which is fine. Let's just fix it. Conflict and use as scores. Right, so what we have to do is look at that other PR for a second. And just make sure I know what it's doing. Okay, so it's adding this extra if condition if it's equal. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna grab this, copy it, and say, nope, you don't live here anymore. And do I have Copilot running? No, I don't. I've been wanting to check into that and try it. I just haven't. I haven't looked into it yet. We're gonna accept current, and then we're just gonna want to go here and make sure we add that condition. Now, we might need to add this as a... Oh, we don't have to because it already lives here. Okay. So we don't have to add that as an import. Okay. Okay, so I think this is probably working fine. Still... good overall. Page 3. Yep, the other fix is working, and then our fix is that still working. Let's see, page 3. Rank 55 woodcut. 53. 51. 49. 50, 56, yep, it's still working. Okay, cool. Same issue here. I assume it's also fixed here. Fire making. Just gonna over test this. 51, 52. Okay, cool. Do you commit all your changes to main or have dev branch? I set up branches just it's just so I can review my own code before it actually goes in. Nobody else reviews it because I don't have any other devs on this project, but it's just useful to review my own code and look at it before I actually merge it. merge commit, so I don't have to add a comment. Okay. We're just gonna wait for these checks to complete. While we're doing that, we're gonna get our news post ready. Gotta let the people know that the high scores have received changes. So, howdy, couple fixes. Specifically regarding rankings. In overall high scores, if there is a tie, two players, I'll just say it. If there are two players, open with live server. Interesting, I don't think I've seen that before. Higher rank, I guess. I don't have any databases or anything to pull from, so all the code is in VS Code at once. Maybe how that works. Huh. Okay. Fixed an issue with ranks being incorrect. If multiple players have the same explain as well. Okay. I think this is fine. I'm gonna read this one more time. I'm pretty sure we're good. High scores. Okay. Yep. Okay. You need something for your cough, bro? Dude, I don't know what to do. It only happens when I'm talking. I could use a cough drop, but I just find them annoying. And they're temporary. There's nothing that can really fix like this kind of cough that comes with like an upper respiratory virus. You kind of just have to like wait for it to go away. I guess I could start taking like cough medicine before a stream or something so I don't cough as much. I don't know. It's weird to say higher rank because it almost seems like it would be like a higher number. Not for us, for you, man. I don't really mind. I never cough because I never really talk. I'm not really in meetings at work and stuff. Okay. Check deployments. Okay, I think it's already up there. There we go. Yep, this is ordered correctly now. $56, $53, $49, $50. Okay, cool. Yep, those are both up, so we can just post this. Oh, thank God I didn't close this one. Okay, cool. Cool. We're just gonna post this update in the Discord so people know. Okay, cool. It has been posted. So that's it for the website part of the stream. But now it's like dinner time. I guess I'll log in for a bit and I'll have, I don't know, maybe I'll take a dinner break. I don't know. Oh, oops, keep that open. Oh, I didn't even put the ticket here. Done. And then this is our slowdown. Done. Okay, cool. So now we're just waiting on the 2 game fixes. I'm gonna take a break, guys. I'm gonna stop the stream here. I think I'm gonna be back on for a gameplay stream. But first I just need to make some dinner. I think I will be, I'm not sure. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching some development. And I hope to do more of these. Not really sure if I should be doing this on this channel or the Neat Free-to-Play channel. But I've been doing it on this one because I've been streaming on this one, so whatever. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you later tonight or maybe tomorrow. Have a good night.